Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Are you ready to do a fun activity along with us? By the end of this video, we guarantee you that you will learn a concept in triangles. Materials required for this activity: 1 sheet of paper, 14 by 12 cm, scale, sketch pen. If you have all the materials ready, let's begin. Take the paper and fold it in half. Place a scale at the corner of the folding and tear the paper as shown. Unfold the triangle and mark the triangle as A, B and C, front and back. In triangle ABC, side AB is equal to side AC. In the triangle, if two sides are equal, then such triangles are called isosceles triangles. Now, let's fold the papers in half and draw a line in the middle. Let's call this D. AD is called the angular bisector because AD is bisecting the angle A equally. Now, let us try to prove ASA and SAS congruence criteria using this isosceles triangle which we prepared. Take the paper and fold it in half. Here, we can see that the side AD is common to triangles ADB and ADC, and side AB is equal to side AC. Measure of angle A is equal on both the triangles. The measure of angle B and angle C are also equal. From this, we can say that side angle side and angle side angle criteria are proven. We hope you have understood ASA and SAS congruence criteria using isosceles triangle. Thank you for watching. This is Tan90 signing off.